Hello there, it's Zurab at Vast Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Acura MDX. The vehicle comes fully certified. It has 88,000 kilometers on it and clean car proof. There is no claims, no accidents, no liens against the vehicle. It looks great. It's a silver on a beige or light gray interior actually. Memory seats, power windows, of course, heated seats, sunroof. Of course it has a leather seats. I'm gonna try to fire it up here. No error codes. All-wheel drive. And it has right now the 88,000 kilometers on it. Radio, it works. There is a backup camera on the mirror. Very clean in and out. It smells like a new car inside. Has a Bluetooth, of course. It's super clean. And it is a 7-passenger. There are 2 very comfortable seats at the back. It's all certified and is ready to go. If you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212. I'll be more than happy to assist you. It's a power lift gate as well. Here, it's a light interior, but it looks like brand new. Thank you.